Going along here with forward facing sonar, targeting these perch, I'm fishing in a lot of vegetation and a lot of, weed growth that is maybe a foot to 3 feet tall and very dense on the bottom. And then a lot of sporadic, maybe 6 to 8 foot tall weeds that are just kind of, thick in patches, but just very sporadic, like I said. And it seems like a lot of the fish are relating to those weeds, but not necessarily just staying in one spot. So what I've been doing is moving along pretty fast, that 1.5 to 2 miles an hour, and I'm kind of just scanning. And one thing about fishing vegetation is a lot of times with forward facing, you kind of got to go slow and decipher through what's a weed and what's a fish. But I've been moving very fast until I find one of those big schools, one of the schools that are 20, 30, 40 fish deep, where there's maybe 5 to 10 feet wide of a big band of them that are just cruising. And it seems like those big pods, a lot of times, once you find one of them, there's a lot of little pods in that area that might be in those weeds. And then I'll slow down and kind of decipher through some of that vegetation and see if I can pick apart some small pods. But for the most part, I cruise around pretty fast until I find one of those big pods of fish. But at the end of the day, I want to stay on the big pod, but it just never sits still and it keeps moving.